Discover the benefits of Dr. Teal's products: relax, rejuvenate, and refresh. Dr. Teals has introduced a stunning new collection that's sure to delight anyone looking for relaxation, rejuvenation, and refreshment. With a wide range of products to choose from, you're bound to find something that suits your needs. Benefits of Dr. Teal's products. Relaxation. Dr. Teal's products are designed to help you unwind and calm your mind and body. From soothing essential oils to calming bath salts, their products can help you relax and recharge. Rejuvenation. Dr. Teal's products are infused with nourishing ingredients that can help rejuvenate your skin and senses. Their products can leave your skin feeling soft, smooth, and refreshed. Refreshment. Dr. Teal's products can help you feel refreshed and revitalized. From invigorating scents to refreshing body washes, their products can help you start your day feeling energized and focused. Some popular Dr. Teal's products. Foaming bath. Dr. Teal's foaming baths are a great way to relax and unwind. With a variety of scents to choose from, you can find the perfect one to suit your mood. Essential oil diffusers. Dr. Teal's essential oil diffusers are a great way to enjoy the benefits of aromatherapy in the comfort of your own home. Body care. Dr. Teal's body care products are designed to nourish and moisturize your skin. From body lotions to body washes, their products can leave your skin feeling soft and smooth. Order Dr. Teal's products from me. If you're interested in trying out Dr. Teal's products, you can order from me. I have a wide range of products available, and I'd be happy to help you find the perfect one for your needs. Simply send me a message with your order, and I'll take care of the rest. Why choose Dr. Teal's? High-quality products. Dr. Teal's products are made with high-quality ingredients that are designed to provide long-lasting benefits. Variety of products. Dr. Teal's offers a wide range of products to choose from, so you're sure to find something that suits your needs. Relaxation and rejuvenation. Dr. Teal's products are designed to help you relax and rejuvenate, which can have a positive impact on your overall well-being. Don't wait any longer to experience the benefits of Dr. Teal's products. Order from me today and start relaxing, rejuvenating, and refreshing your way to a happier, healthier you.